Pre. Pre. Bagay ang drums, pre. Bagay ang drums.
This is our last game between Recreo Dragons and Iliusa Pontevedra. First five from Team Recreo. Soklan, Lazaro, Julio, Tero, and Fontanilla. Team Iliusa Pontevedra. D1, Buka, Villafranca, Samar, and Cabatania. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Ski Federation of Pontevedra, Honorable Rimar Lascano. Sir, welcome and good evening. Bukag, intercepted by Soklan to Lazaro and touchdown! Easy to points! Villafranca on the leader, pass to Cabatania. To Samar, deflected, Fontanilla on the run and touchdown! Easy to points! Villafranca had the ball, pass to Cabatania, back to Villafranca, inside pass to Samar, to D1, in and out! Julio, to Fontanilla, Halio pass to Tiro, basket to points. Score 8-0 in favor of Recreo. Cabatania, intercepted by Soklan, and last touch by Soklan. Villafranca for three, yes! Fontanilla on the leader. On the left side, response, airball, Samar on the rebound. Pass to D1, and to the bucket, no. Cabatania is there to the football. Soklan. And there's a whistle foul, jersey number 28. Cabatania first personal foul. Score 8-5 in favor of Recreo. Shot clock 12, traveling violation by Olio. Villafranca to D1. Looking for the open man, back to Villafranca, shot clock 14, here comes the screen. To D1, so strong, D1, he fake. Shot clock 12, Samar, basket to points. 8-7. Cabatania for three, airball. Julio to Fontanilla. Intercepted by Villafranca. On the run and to the bucket. Connect for the points. Soklan, basket to points. Score 12-9. Villafranca attacking on the middle, and there's a whistle foul. Jersey number 7, Lazaro, first personal foul. 6 minutes 19 seconds on the first quarter. Bungka. Guarded by Tero. Almost. Soklan on the rebound pass to Lazaro. All alone. And touchdown. Easy the points.
Wala na may cord, oh.
Villafranca to the right side. Back on top of the key. For 3. Airball. Julio to Lazaro. Trying to save the ball. Pass to Fontanilla. Traveling violation.
Wala ni Sabran. Gangan mo gangan.
5 minutes 45.
Din ang lodyak, ang lit.
Villafranca inside pass to Samar. He fake to Bukag. Shot clock 14 to Samar. Perimeter jumper using the glass connect for the points. Lazaro, no. B1. He stopped and then no good. Polio now on the rebound, dribble the ball. Polio finding a way. Basket, 2 points. 5 minutes left on the first quarter. Villafranca. Pass to D1. No. Samar on the corner. Shot clock 10. 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Kick ball violation. 15 shot clock. Aliyo pass to Tero, no. Samar on the rebound. Villafranca on the leader. To D1 on the corner. Open shot, short. Battling the rebound goes to Tero to Lazaro. And touchdown. Easy to point score. 18-11. 4 minutes left on the rally. Samar. Shot clock 14. Tabukag, yes in the glass, connect for 2 points. Soklan, circle shot, it's good. Villafranca, pass to D1. 12 shot clock, 10 shot clock. Using the glass, no good. Fontanilla to Soklan. Kick out to Lazaro for 3. No. 3 minutes and 5. D1. Pass to Bukag. Connect for the points. For 3, no. Follow up by Soklan. Basket of points. 2 minutes and 40. 22-15 in favor of Recreo. Ten shot clock for 3, short. Fontanilla on the run. Pass to Soklan. Step back again, no. Fontanilla tap the ball to Lazaro. To Julio for 3. No good. Villafranca on the run. Stop. Time out. minutes and 5 seconds on the first quarter score, 20-15.
Mapulang bitaw. Salam bro. Salam eh.
Lazaro now dribble the ball pass to Julio. Pass to Soklan, guarded by Soklan. Brother versus brother. Shot lang 8. Again, no problem! Mang-hold ka lang yan. Shot clock for 3. No good. Soklan now on the rebound. Pass to Lazaro. He fake. 1 minute 21. Aban, pass to Soklan. And there's a whistle. Foul. Jersey number 17, Soklan. First foul. One minute and 9 seconds. Julio now on the rebound. Dupan taking away the ball. Book out, pull up jumper, rolls out, follow up, no. 50 seconds. Pontanilla, dribble the ball. Guarded by Aban. Foul. Jersey number 19. First personal foul. 14 shot clock, 41 seconds. Ten shot clock. 7 shot clock. Foul and counted. Foul jersey number 5. First personal foul. Bonus 2 by Julio. 32 seconds. 30 seconds. 25. Tobong ka, open shot, no. 8 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 14. For 3, no good. 14. 10. 7.9 seconds remaining time. 5, 3. Basketball points. Score 28-15 in favor of Recreo. Sa liwat, no? Score 28-15 in favor of Recreo. Sa liwat, pagtapos ang game, may banda, Vloggers Band. Kagpong party hasta magaga. Vloggers Band. Kilala nyo man ang Vloggers Band? Ang ilada ang mastermind si Dundon. Second quarter. Dito ba? Effect. Denied by Soklan. Still no. Pass sa Soklan. Soklan deflected. And there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 20, De La Torre. First foul, De La Torre. Back to Aban for 3. Air ball. De La Torre had the ball. Pass to Tolo. To Igay. 14 shot clock. Shot clock 14. Tolo reverse denied. Samar now dribbling on the run. Samar, hit no on him. Looking around to Sarasa. Pass to Aban. Aban is stopped and bumped short. To Sarasa, he fakes, shot locked in. Running shot, basket, oh boy. De La Torre. Pass to Espanola for 3. Air ball. Six minutes 32 seconds. 6 minutes 32. Fourteen shot clock. Portrino. Six minutes left. 6 minutes. De La Torre. Paso Espanola. Back to De La Torre. 12 shot clock. Tolo for 3. Short. Sarasa now dribble the ball. Pass to Aban in fake. To Samar. Open 3. Why not? Short. De La Torre. To Espanola. To Igay for 3. No. Hinova. Tolo. Aban finds a way. Basket of points. Score 28-19. 5 minutes left. Espanola. To Hinova. Pass to Tana. Easy the points. 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Sarasa. Dopan. 12 shot clock. 10 shot clock. Aban in and out. Aban again. Basket of points. Score 30-21 in favor of Recreo. 4 minutes and 20. Igay. Fades away, air ball, stop. Sarasa. Seaman. Attend, no. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 7. Foul. Jersey number 8. First personal foul, Espanola. 3 minutes 47. 10 shot clock. Foul, jersey number 11. Sub. First personal foul by Tolo. Shot clock 14. Sumagat, circle shot, no. De La Torre for the rebound and dribbling on the run. De La Torre attacking by 4 and out. De La Torre second opportunity, no. Third time around, yes. Intercepted by Tolo. Calling for the points. Three minutes and 7 seconds on the second quarter. Sumogat. Tosoklan. And there's a whistle foul, jersey number 11, Tolo. Second personal foul. And 14 foul. 2 minutes 57. Still by Espanola and touchdown! Easy the points, 36-21. In favor of Recreo. Villafranca, inside pass to Samar, Cuenca, and doesn't work. Fourteen shot clock. 10 shot clock. Hinova using Douglas collect for the points. 2 minutes and 18. Foul, jersey number 11, third personal foul, penalty na rin. 2 minutes and 9. Two minutes and 9 seconds. Villafranca. Shot clock 8. Seaman, nowhere to go. Shot clock 5. 3 shot clock. Basket for 3 points. De La Torre on the leader. Pass by Espanola. 4-3. So strong. Rebound Samar. Still by Igay. No good. Rebound Samar. Soklan. Pass to Sumogat. Basket of Hines. 1 minute and 20 on the running of the second quarter. De La Torre. He crossover. Attacking by 2. Finishing on the right. So strong. Soklan taking away the ball. Pass to Sumogat. Using the last in and out. 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining time.
38-26.
Igay. To De La Torre. 55. 50. 2 points by Igay. 45. Seconds. 25 seconds remaining time. 25 seconds remaining time. Seconds remaining time. 15 shot clock De La Torre. 20 shot clock 10. Guarded by Villafranca. On the move, all the way, easy the points. 10, 7, 5, 3. That's the end of the second quarter. Score 42-26 in favor of Recreo. This game brought to you by Iski of Barangay Miranda. Headed by Iski Chairperson, Honorable Maureen Andrea Solegue. Iski Kagawa, Honorable Chisa Minsilo, Honorable Jumari Akan, Honorable Jeline Solige, Honorable Risa Garferio, Honorable Altia Creel Saladares, Honorable Disalin Gamboa, Iski Treasurer, Miss Elin Joy Conde, Iski Secretary, Mr. Joel Caballo. After the game, may bandana din flaggers. Hasta mag-aga ang akon nga foam party. Free na free. Bata igulang matambok maniwang kung binayaan ka man. Libre kit ka rin magsalon. Kinanglan nakatawas lang. May bantay karon sa gate, may bantay na daw kung magsulod nakatawas. Babalaan na nila kung wala tawas. 13 shot lang, 13. Sumagat, so strong. Soklan to Lazaro. To Fontanilla. He stopped and waiting for the team. Finding by Holyo. Easy the points. For 3. Yeah! Fontanilla. Pass to Lazaro for 3. Short. Soklan. Attacking by Soklan. Denied. Face to face. Live your dream, brother. Holyo and bouncing out. Villafranca. Tosumogat for 3. Yes, sir! Basket, ha? Basket, boy. Soklan. For 3. So strong. Soklan on the rebound. Dribble the ball. Soklan! Follow up! No! Soklan again! No! Julio! Fontanilla to Lazaro. Still by Villafranca. To Soklan! Using the last connect for the Mines. Soklan. Attacking by Soklan! No problem! Magkaribal, magkaaway. Pero magutod na sila. Kickball violation, shot clock 14. Bukag, no. Julio now on the rebound, pass to Fontanilla, pass to Lazaro. Back to Fontanilla, fades away, connect for the Mines. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Bukag on the perimeter, bouncing out. Pass to Lazaro, one dribble into the bucket! Easy the Mines! Soklan! Easy the Mines! Time out! Iniusap Pontevedra selection. Napatay. Patas na. Four minutes and 7 seconds. Four minutes and 7 seconds. 4 minutes.